Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we've got two robotic warriors ready to battle it out in the ultimate vacuum showdown. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba 692, and on the right, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. Let's talk moolah, folks. The Roomba 692 will set you back a cool $269. Not too shabby for a robot that won't steal your lunch or take over the world. Yet. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC struts in with a price tag of $299. Now that's $30 more, enough to buy you a couple of pizzas or a questionable haircut. Is it worth the extra dough? Let's find out. Next up, the cleaning magic. The Roomba 692 boasts a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes. It's like a tiny janitor with a PhD in cleanliness. But hold on to your socks. ROPVACNIC is here with a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming combo. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums, washing your floors and sucking up dirt like a pro. If only it could also make me a sandwich. Reviewers appreciate Roomba 692 for its frequent cleaning and good suction, while ROPVACNIC's versatility in vacuuming and mopping earns high praise. Both robots claim to be smarter than your average vacuum. The Roomba 692 learns your cleaning habits and listens to your voice like a loyal dog that won't chew your shoes. On the other side, ROPVACNIC flexes its muscles with comprehensive intelligent control, multiple cleaning modes, and a voice command feature. So if you're into bossing around machines while lounging on your couch, both these bots have you covered. Reviewers highlight Roomba 692's ability to navigate around obstacles, while ROPVACNIC's smart features and easy app installation make it a user-friendly choice. Suction power, because nobody likes a weak vacuum. The Roomba 692 does a decent job, but the ROPVACNIC comes in swinging with a whopping 4,000 pascals powerful suction. That's enough to pull the crumbs out of your carpet and maybe even your soul. ROPVACNIC means business, folks. Reviewers have praised ROPVACNIC for its exceptional suction power and ability to handle various surfaces, while Roomba 692 is noted for its good suction, but not as powerful as ROPVACNIC. Pet owners, this one's for you. Roomba 692 handles pet hair like a champ, but ROPVACNIC takes it up a notch with an exclusive no-entanglement design. No more pulling out clumps of dog hair and wondering why you ever got a pet in the first place. ROPVACNIC's dual rotating side brushes are like little ninjas, sweeping up pet hair without breaking a sweat. Reviewers appreciate Roomba 692 for its effectiveness with pet hair, while ROPVACNIC's design specifically to avoid entanglement is highly valued. Finally, let's talk battery life and recharging. The Roomba 692 runs for up to 90 minutes before it needs a juice up, and it automatically docks itself like a good little robot. The ROPVACNIC, not to be outdone, also features self-recharging, but boasts smarter high automation. It's like having a vacuum that's also a genius. No more coming home to a dead robot in the middle of your living room. Reviewers also highlight ROPVACNIC's longer battery life and smart charging capabilities. In summary, the iRobot Roomba 692 is praised for its effective cleaning and good suction, making it a reliable choice for maintaining clean floors. However, it can be loud and requires some supervision. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner stands out with its high suction power, versatility in vacuuming and mopping, and advanced smart features. It's particularly appreciated for its ability to handle pet hair and its user-friendly interface. So there you have it, folks. the Roomba 692 versus the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Both are solid choices, but it boils down to what you value more: price, super suction, or that fancy mopping feature. Which one are you rooting for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic showdowns. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it clean. And remember, if your vacuum starts talking back, it might be time to call tech support or an exorcist. See ya! Product links are in the description.